Erzengler Lake. Erzengler Lake is part of the Freiberg Mines water management system. It is fed from the Münzbach stream and is connected to the other lakes of the Freiberg Mines water management system by water channels and gullets, water-bearing galleries. The first mention of Erzengler Lake was in 1570 in a report by Martin Planer, then mine inspector of Freiberg. Originally, it served as a private mining lake for the Erzengel deposit, which was located between the Krause Mill and today's Constantine Lake. The lake received its water from the southwestern arm of the Münzbach stream, formerly called Ratzbach, and the Kohlbach water channel, which was built in the middle of the 16th century. With the help of two sluices, the water was either led directly into a pit called Gift of the Sun and Gods at today's Kohlstrasse, or dammed up in the Erzengler Lake. After the Freiberg Mines water management system had already been using the Erzengler Lake for several years, it finally bought the private lake in 1848. Development and reconstruction. In 1864, the mine engineer Gustav Adolf Franke was commissioned to inspect the Erzengler Lake. In his report, he pointed out damage to the stone wall, various channels, and the discharge gullet. As a result, the lake was extensively overhauled. The dam was raised by 1.5 cubits, about 85 centimeters, and the wooden channels were replaced by iron ones. In addition, the water side received a new clay seal and the stone wall was repaired. The dilapidated discharge gullet was also rebuilt along with the harrow house and all technical equipment. After the end of Freiberg mining in 1914, the use of the Erzengler Lake changed. From then on, it served as utility water, supplying the district electricity plant until 1972. At the insistence of the mayor of Prant-Ebersdorf, plans for a public baths began in the spring of 1912. In May of 1931, a contract was signed between the municipality and the Freiberg Mines water management system. Therefore, the lake could also be used for bathing. Today's significance. Today, the Erzengler Lake is used for swimming, fishing, and recreation. It is an EU bathing water. However, its main function is to provide utility water for industry in the region. Within the Freiberg Mines water management system, it serves as a compensating intermediate and standby reservoir. To this end, the water stored in the Erzengler Lake is released via the Münzbach stream into Grootbecher Lake. The Freiberg Mines water management system as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Freiberg Mines water management system is a water supply system that has evolved over several centuries. It consists of a widely ramified network of gullets, water-bearing galleries, and water channels, which are altogether about 70 kilometers long and connect 10 lakes. The system has its origins in Freiberg silver mining. In 1168, silver was discovered in the Freiberg area. Immediately, a silver rush began, bringing many miners to the previously almost unsettled ore mountains. Initially, the silver ore near the surface could be recovered without much effort. From the 15th century, however, the miners had to dig deeper and deeper to find mineral resources. In the process, they encountered groundwater. The pits were drained with the help of watermen. Later, pumps driven by water power were used for this purpose. Due to a lack of water, Freiberg's mining industry was threatened with extinction in the 16th century. By order of the Elector, the planned development of a water storage and supply system for Freiberg's mining and metallurgy began in 1558. After the 30 Years' War, The Electors Gallery and Gullet Administration was founded in 1684. As a central authority, it was to harmonize the water needs of the mining industry and the city population. Around 1900, however, Freiberg's silver mining became unprofitable due to the introduction of the gold mark as the official currency and imports from overseas. It was completely shut down by 1914. The Freiberg Mines water management system was given new tasks. From then on, it was operated for drinking and process water supply, fish farming, and energy production. Today, the mines water management system supplies the regions of Freiberg, Chemnitz, and Dresden with drinking and process water. It is part of the dam system Middle and Eastern Ore Mountains. UNESCO World Heritage. The Freiberg Mines Water Management System has been a listed site since 1980, and since 2019 it has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the Ore Mountains Kustnahari mining region. Mining brought about a unique cultural landscape in Saxony and Bohemia, which is still visible everywhere in the Ore Mountains. Many historic buildings are still in use today. The cross-border character of the World Heritage Sites is also unique. 17 of them are located in Saxony, Germany, 5 in Bohemia, in the Czech Republic. Since 1975, UNESCO has protected and preserved unique cultural and natural assets of outstanding universal value as the heritage of all mankind. This goes back to the Hague Convention of 1954, which, for the first time, laid down standards for the preservation of cultural heritage.